The more we insist on being right, the more challenging it can be to learn anything new. And the more challenging it is to learn, the more difficult it is for us to understand. How does this reflect in cases of chronic pain, such as low back pain? Well, let's say the lower back wants to always be right, and it insists, doesn't want to hear any other opinion. I'm right, you're wrong. The lower back is going to do all the work. So that could make it challenging for the lower back to learn that it is one aspect of a whole body, that when they work together, when everything and every aspect of your body works together, not one area has to take all the load, has to take all the burden. So oftentimes what it takes, and that's why it's called chronic pain, symptoms, and not just pain, but recurring episodes of pain, and maybe to the point requiring surgery and further intervention. So sooner or later, that back, the lower back, reaches a point where it's pretty much forced to learn something new because it just can't take it anymore. It's reached its boiling point, its rock bottom. Then it realizes it's either I learn, survive, or I die, metaphorically. So it opens itself up to newer possibilities on how to function. So let's say other parts of the body, say the abdominals, the legs, the hamstrings, the arms, the jaw, the eyes and the peripheral vision. You get the point. They all come together and say, hey, lower back, we can work synchronously together, and then we could take that burden off from you and we could take it together. So then the lower back tries it out and realizes, oh, I'm not always right. I don't have to be the only show in town. And you know what? I'm okay because I have a whole team and it's not just me. I'm not the only one doing all the work. And if I allow myself to be open and receptive to everybody else and learn from them, maybe I won't be in so much pain, or I won't be so damaged or broken or tired. So then comes an understanding that the lower back is no longer a lower back. Can't even call or define or label what it is, because now it's this.